Hey everyone, since my last video I've made a couple knives. This is my last one right here. It's a stainless steel Bowie knife with a Damascus guard. Today I'm making another Bowie knife. This style is going to be a little different, but it's going to be pretty similar. The only difference is I'm going to be making it with Damascus, the entire blade. So let's hope it goes to plan. I know it won't. I'll make some mistakes, but let's get started. Okay, so I'm all done with forging and I've ground in a really rough shape, and now as you can see it just needs to be cleaned up on the sides, and I can start putting a bevel on and thinning down the edge, and once we do that then we can move on to heat treating. Alright, so what you're seeing me do right now is squaring up the shoulders with a file to make sure that when it is time to put a handle on, there's not going to be any gaps or anything like that. Okay, so I've got it pretty much all cleaned up. I got a bevel ground in on it. Now it's time to heat treat it and harden it with a quench. Alright, so now I'm going to start working on a guard. I got the shape pretty much finished. Now I'm going to drill a couple holes in the middle, and I'm going to get it widened out with a file, and then I'm going to try to get the fit up right onto the blade. Alright, so I spent about an hour hand sanding the blade, making it look nice and shiny. Now all that's left is to put it in the acid and reveal the pattern in the Damascus, which I can't wait for. Should be really fun. Also, I opened up the slot for the blade to go through in the guard. All that's left for now on this is once I get the handle put on, I'll shape it up to where the handle and it look nice together. So we're getting close to the end. Only a couple things left to do. Alright, so now I'm going to make about a 50-50 mix of this ferric chloride acid and water. And what's going to happen is the acid is going to eat away at the high carbon steel in the Damascus, and it's going to create like little valleys and stuff, and that'll release like a pattern. So I'm going to leave it for about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to take it out and put it in some baking soda water to dilute the acid. Alright, now it's time to take it out, check out how the pattern looks. Wow. Looks great. Alright, so now I gotta neutralize the acid. So I actually scrapped the first handle because the dark walnut was just too hard to work with. I just wouldn't want to be sanded or drilled at all. So I switched to the regular walnut and it worked a lot better. I got it all fit up. And I got the blade taped up so I don't get glue on it. So now I've got my handle all finished. It's all shaped and shined up. Now we can move on to the last step of making the knife, which is sharpening. I got my whetstones here. I'm going to start with a 400 grit, work my way up to the 1,000, and then 3,000, and then 6,000. Alright, so I've got the blade all sharpened up. That means it's all done. Really happy with how it turned out. I think the guard looks really good with the blade. The Damascus pattern looks great in my opinion. I'll probably make my next video after I get a little better after my next couple of knives. But until then, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.